morning, everyone, respected panel and members, and everyone present here. My name is Sonu Kumar Singh. I am currently pursuing B.Tech in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from Gaya College of Engineering, Gaya, and I am in 7th semester. Today, we are here to represent our embedded system internship project presentation, which we completed as a part of our internship. So, my name is Sonu Kumar Singh. Embedded system internship project presentation. So, let me first talk through the agenda of our presentation. We will begin with a brief introduction to the internship, followed by an overview embedded system. Then I will explain the C programming concept of microcontroller basic that we learned. After that, we will move towards interfacing and project implementation. Finally, the presentation will be concluded with learning outcome and conclusion. Like a first step will be introduction to internship, embedded system overview, C programming concept, microcontroller, basic, interfacing, project implementation, conclusion. So we go to next slides. Introduction to internship. This internship was focused on building a strong fundamental in embedded system. We started with C programming, which one core language used in embedded application. Gradually, we moved with understanding microcontroller and how software interact with hardware. The internship followed as hands-on approaches where we concept was implementation using a simulator. This practical learning helped us clearly understand real-time system behavior. Like the main focus, this internship focus on embedded system fundamental. It includes embedded C programming and microcontroller basic. Practical learning was done using simulators. This practical learning helped us clearly understand real-time system behavior. We will go to next slides. Goals of internship. The primary goal of internship was not just theoretical learning, but practical implementation. We aim to understand how embedded systems are designed and programmed. Another important goal was learn embedded C programming and apply it to control hardware components. We also focus on interfacing peripherals like LEDs, switches, and LCDs. Another important goal, we learn about embedded system programming and apply it to control hardware components. Overall, the internship helped us become more confident in embedded system development. The main goal in this PPT, understand embedded system architecture, learn embedded C programming, interface peripherals, implement a real-time project. Okay, then we will go to next slides. What is embedded system? The main focus of what is, and we know that what is an embedded system, the first person. So this answer is that embedded system is a combination of hardware and software designed to perform a specific functions. Unlike general purpose computer, embedded systems are dedicated to one task and operate in real time. These systems are optimized for lower power consumption, small size, and high reliability. The common example we will take include washing machines, microwave, traffic light controller, and medical devices. Embedded systems are an essential part of modern technology. In this PPT, the main points will include an embedded system is a combination of hardware and software. We will say also designed to perform a specific function in real time. Examples include washing machines and traffic lights and much more. We will go to next slides. C programming. This is like last slide by him, and next slides will be represented by my colleagues. Like these programming concepts, data types and operators, control statements, array and string, function and pointers. In this C programming we will learn in embedded system. C programming plays an important role in embedded system. During the internship, we learn data types, operators, control statements, arrays, strings, functions, and pointers. C language is preferred in embedded system because it provides better control over memory and hardware. This concept helps us write efficient and structured embedded program. Now would like to overall the presentation to my teammate who will be continue with microcontroller concept and project implementation. Over the Rosni Kumari who will take the presentation forward. Thank you.
Thank you, Sonu. Good morning, everyone. My name is Roshni Kumari. I am currently pursuing B.Tech from Greenhouse Learning in Electrical and Electronic branch. I am in my seventh semester. I will now continue this presentation by explaining the microcontroller concepts, peripheral interfacing, and project implementations. Microcontroller overview. A microcontroller is the heart of an embedded system. It is a single chip computer that contains a processor, memory, and input output ports. Unlike microprocessor, microcontroller are designed specifically for embedded applications. They are cost effective, consumers less power, and are widely used in real time systems. Peripheral interfacing. Peripheral interfacing is an important part of embedded systems. It helps understanding how external devices communicate with the microcontroller. During the internship, we worked on the interfacing components such as LED, switches, LCD. Each peripheral has a specific role as an input or output device. Then we can see LED interfaces. LED interfacing is one of the basic and most important experiment in embedded systems. An LED is connected to a GPIO pin on the microcontroller. By writing logic in embedded C, we can control the LED to turn on or off. This helps us understand how software control hardware behavior. And second, switch interfaces. Switch are used as input device in embedded systems. Timer and interrupts. Timers are used to generate accurate delay, while interrupts allow quickly response to event. These features improve system efficiency and performance. Project overview. The project was delivered using embedded C programming. It demonstrates how a microcontroller interact with the multiple peripherals. The project integrates all the concepts learned during the internships. Implementation details. The project was implemented using modular programming. Each function performs a specific task, making the code easy to understand and debug. The program was tested using a simulator product verifications. Next slide is learning outcomes. Through this internship, we gained strong practical knowledge of embedded systems. We developed confidence in embedded C programming and hardware software integrations. Conclusion. To conclude these embedded systems, internship was a valuable learning experience. It helps us apply theoretical concepts to real-time applications and strengthen our technical foundations in the system. Thank you. Thank you for giving us this opportunity to present our work. We will be happy to answer any questions. Thank you.